Welcome back, nerds. I'm Miss Westmoreland. We got another fun lesson to share with you today. We're going to learn about one of my favorite animals, the orangutan. And they're so adorable, so prepare yourself for the adorableness that you are about to experience. Okay, orangutans are an ape, and they're found in two places in the world. They're found on two islands called Borneo and Sumatra. Here's us over here in the United States, probably. I live here in Chandler, Arizona. We're gonna travel all the way around the world to Southeast Asia. So here's China and India, here's Australia, and Borneo and Sumatra are right here. They're two islands, and you can see that they're right on the equator. They're jungles and rainforests, and it's an amazing place. This is the only place in the world where orangutans naturally live. So again, let's talk about just how adorable they are. So I have some sad news about orangutans. They are critically endangered, which means there are not very many of them left in the world. And sometimes it's very sad, but sometimes if an orangutan, a young orangutan, a baby orangutan loses its mother, they have a very difficult time surviving. So in Borneo, there is a place that is called a jungle school where orphaned orangutans can go and they can grow up and they can live, and they have people teachers to teach them how to be orangutans. Can you even handle this right now? Because I can't, because they're so cute. Okay, there's a great video that I've included below for you to watch. It is called Orangutan Jungle School, and it's made by the Smithsonian Channel. And it's actually kind of quite long, but if you're into this like I'm into this, you're gonna love this show. It's actually 48 minutes long, and there's actually 5 episodes available for you to watch on YouTube or the Smithsonian Channel or Hulu, whatever you wanna do. I would watch one today if you can, and then watch maybe one each day the next 5 days, and you are gonna be the expert on adorable orangutans. Okay, so in Borneo, at this jungle school, the teeny tiny ones, sometimes they take them around in wagons and, what are these called? Wheelbarrows, and it is possibly the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. So they teach the orangutans all the skills they need to survive, because orangutans usually spend 8 years with their mother, and their mother teaches them everything, like how to crack a coconut and how to find the food that they need in the jungle. So their human teachers help them to grow and teach them how to survive, and then ultimately their goal is to release them back into the wild in a safe area for them to live. So I love this show. I think you're gonna love it so much. It's so cute. Okay, so let's talk about our project today. So the first thing is to learn about orangutans, and you're gonna do that by watching that video or doing some research on your own. Okay, number 2 thing to do is try not to die of too much cute. That's a real struggle. Prepare yourself because of all the cute. Okay, and then the third thing we're gonna do is build a model of jungle school. So you'll learn that there's like actually many parts of the jungle school. The baby orangutans are in a little nursery, and they sleep in laundry baskets. You guys. The older orangutans, they take out into the jungle to teach them skills, depending on how old they are and how much they've learned. Kind of like grades that you're in, and as you move up in grades, you get more freedom and you get to learn harder things. So we're gonna build a model of the jungle school. So I'm just using recyclables today. So raid your recycling bin. I got some like thick cardboard. I'm gonna use this as my base. And then I've got some, of course you're gonna need probably some paper, some markers. I grabbed some this is thinner cardboard, like cereal box cardboard or cracker containers. This is really easy to cut with scissors, but it's still strong, so you probably want some of that. I got a paper towel tube, some sticks. Really, you're just gonna want whatever though you have around your house. Got some sticks, some craft sticks, and then I went outside. I want this to be like natural. So I grabbed these beautiful leaves that look fake, but are actually real from my orange tree. And then I cut some other branches, and I'll add that on. I also grabbed some rocks. Okay, so you're gonna need some glue, probably tape, my favorite supply. All right, So once you've gathered all your materials, you're gonna build your model of jungle school. So the little tiny ones live in the nursery. And like I said, there's different areas, and you'll see there's different areas where the orangutans go to learn different skills. So you could include that in your model. There's also a hospital because sometimes the orangutans are sick or they need something. So, okay, well, when you bring in your plants, maybe make sure that there's no bugs on them because there's got some gnats here. So you're gonna build your model of jungle school, and I can't wait to see it. Have an awesome day.